Hello everyone, I'm Jyoti. On behalf of Sri in the Society, I welcome you all teachers in one of the most successful innovative idea sharing platform of India, ZIIEI, that is Zero Investment Innovation for Education Initiative. Today in this video, I'm going to share one very interesting innovative idea named gardening. This idea is innovated by one of our innovative teacher of Tripura. His name is Mr. Sudeep Das. It is often found that during childhood, many students ruin the garden or damage the plants. They pluck flower or birds even before it blooms because they do not have knowledge that plant also has life or are not aware how to maintain them. To change this attitude, the teacher adopt this idea. Awareness is also created about good diet and proper hygiene as they are imperative for a healthy body and mind. A child becomes more attentive in class and other extracurricular activities when he or she is in a good mental and physical condition. Apart from all this, students should know how to grow those plants and from them how to get fruit and food which can be used to prepare their midday meal. Now, in this activity, teacher invites students for a meeting where they discuss how to develop a leftover land into an agricultural land. They also learn the precautions needed to be taken to develop a garden and an agricultural land. First, students clean the ground and make a boundary by using some bamboo sticks so that trespassers and the animal cannot get into the land. Then students collect the biodegradable materials such as dry leaves, stems, and remaining food from their midday meal. After that, students start preparing vermicompost, that is compost, where they use all the slits and peels of the fruits and vegetables they brought from their home or from collected from their schools. Now they dump these things into a big pit inside the school, and it is watered and stirred daily until it gets ready. Now, while preparing compost, students learn the lesson of chemical properties of compost and various gases like nitrogen, oxygen, and many more chemical reactions. During this activity, students also collect all the plastic bottles or pot from their home, which can be used as a flower pot. In this process, the teacher teaches them various type of fruit seeds and also about stems, roots, and other part of the plant body. Now the student also plants up selected seeds in the land and are instructed to water them in a timely basis. The freshly prepared compost is now put into the land to fertilize the soil. This is how senior students also get to learn agriculture, chemical formula, recycling of waste materials. Moreover, the most important, they learn that there is nothing to be wasted. Instead, it can be recycled and reused. This will also create a sense of responsibility for all the plants among the students. This idea can be implemented in any class, starting from the primary to high secondary. I hope you like this idea and you'll definitely implement this idea in your school. Uh, and if you're watching this video in YouTube, please subscribe our channel. And if you're watching this video in Facebook, please like our page and like this video too. And please implement this idea in your school. Thank you.